Hi everyone, this is Emmanuel. I'm here to teach you the session 3 of special basic classes. And the important notice is the special basic classes will be end by this session. And now we will recap the earlier topic that we discussed. The topic is sound recognition. Let's start with the basics. How, learning, when and why, showing, play and see, mastering with sound. First, starting how. Start by remembering and by hurting the sound of a key. Scales will definitely be easy for you to learn. Try guessing the key by listening to a song or anywhere. Start with guessing with the keys with learning. Now let's learning when and why. It is useful mainly when an unplanned song someone chooses randomly. It is useful when you want to compose or identify someone's voice, including other instruments. Now let's get into mastering with sound. Now today's topic is sound recognition part 2. In this session we're gonna learn about identifying and choosing rhythms. And the outline for this lesson is identifying, counting, style of rhythm, and composition. Identifying. We can identify start identifying from the same principles from the part 1. Start by remembering and hearing the sound of a key. Scales will be definitely easy for you to learn. Try guessing the beat by listening to a song or anywhere, and rhythms must match, no adjusting the tempo. Tempo means the song speed. Now let's get into counting. Start counting in the mind. Try checking all the style properties like waltz, jazz, dance and RB, etc. Find the perfect match from your instincts. Now let's get into styles of rhythms. Now let's play. Now I am playing a song. Tell me the suitable style for it or rhythm. Please post the rhythm that you thought in the chat box. Now let me play with the rhythm. Tell me whether it matched or not. Now we're gonna learn about composition. In case there are no installed rhythms matching the song. How? By using the drum kits voices pre-installed on your keyboard, recording the composed beat or playing it live. Let's play and see. Suppose we'll take the song Twinkle Twinkle. Tell me whether this beat matches with the song or not. And please post your answer in the chat box. If you have any doubts, those who are watching this recording, please post your doubts in the comment section. We will answer them as soon as possible, or WhatsApp to my number 63050111073. Now I am gonna ask a quiz. Please post the answers in the chat section. First question. Try composing a rhythm along a short song lead. Second question. Name any two ways which you want to use to identify the rhythm. Third. Is it possible to adjust the song tempo according to your rhythm? Fourth question, explain the class in your own words and please post the answers in the chat section, and thank you. Just a reminder, this is the last class of the special basic session.